Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add VPN extension in Google Chrome. So here we are in Google Chrome and you want to go and browse the web with a VPN for whatever reason. We'll guide you through the steps of how you can go and add one. So to go and get started, head to the top right. There you will go and see three dots which you can go and click on. Come down the list of options and find extensions. Click visit Chrome Web Store. This will load at the top. You can go and type in VPN. If you've got a specific one in mind, you can search for it or just type it in and you can go and see some different ones. Here you can go and see there's a free one at the top. So what we could do is go and click on this. Here over to the right you'll see the option add to Chrome, which we can click on. We'll get this pop-up and you will go and see what it can do. If you're short, press add extension and it's now been added, and now we're going to be taken here. So as we can see, we can press the continue with the free version, and now we can go and pin it. We can click here, press the pin icon, and we've now gone and added it there. Now I can go and click on this like so. I can press continue and start, and I can then press the on button, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.